Hello and welcome. In this video, I want to cover getting your charts set up. I'm actually going to cover this twice. I will cover it in the presentation, and then I want to show you actually how to do it with MetaTrader so that you can get set up and save the charts so that it's easy to access for you anytime in the future. First of all, there's three indicators used in this particular trading system. We use an exponential moving average 5 period. That's an EMA 5, and we're going to make that black. Exponential moving average 15 period, that's an EMA 15, and we're going to make that one blue. And then an exponential moving average 60 period, that's an EMA 60, and we'll make that green in our examples. So what you need to do is you just open a chart, and first of all, so that your charts look the same as ours, right-click on the chart and select Properties, and then change the background color of the chart to white, change the color of the bull candles to green, and change the color of the bear candles to red. And then once you're done that, click OK. And then you need to add the moving averages in MetaTrader. The little button with the F, X, and the plus at the top is your indicator button. You can add the indicators by going down to the trend and then selecting moving average. And you're going to add all three moving averages to the charts themselves. And once again, you need to add an EMA 5 to your chart. That's an exponential moving average 5 period. Make it black so that your charts look the same as ours. You need to add an EMA 15 and make that one blue, and an EMA 60 and make that one green. And then once you're done that, save the charts. I'm just going to show you this in MetaTrader 4 so that you know how to do it and can follow along. Just to show you here with an example, our first step when we're entering a short trade is we need to determine that we are in a strong downtrend. To do that, as I said, we use three different criteria. First of all, looking on our charts and the colors of our lines, the EMA 60 is the green line, the EMA 15 is the blue line, and those both need to be pointing downward for us to meet the first criteria. The second criteria is that the EMA 5, which is our black line, is below the EMA 15. So looking here, the EMA 5 in this case is below the EMA 15. And finally, the EMA 15, the blue line, is below the EMA 60. And once those three criteria are met, we have established that we are in a strong downtrend. We look for the retracement. So you just open up MetaTrader here and then right-click on any symbol in the chart window on the side, and then just click Chart Window. That will open up a new chart. And then once you have that, first thing we're going to do is right-click on this chart and click on Properties. And we're going to change the background color to white. I'm going to change the bull candle color to green. And I'm going to change the bear color candle to red. And then I'm just going to I'm going to change the foreground color to something that shows up over top of the charts and click OK. I want to go up to the top here and make sure that I am actually looking at a candle chart. And once I zoom in a bit, there's what our charts look like after I made those quick changes. Okay, and now we just need to add our indicators. So we're going to click the Indicators button up here. Just click on the little down arrow, go to Trend, and then select Moving Average from the indicator list. And the first one you want to add is an EMA 5. And we're going to make that black in color, so select black from the style. And then just to make it show up a little bit better, I usually select the second line so that it shows up a little bit bigger. And just make sure that the MA method selected is exponential and not simple. You don't want a simple moving average. You want the EMA, which is an exponential moving average. And once you've done that, just click OK. And that will add the black line to our chart. And then we want to do it again. We're going to go to Trend and then select Moving Average from the indicators list. And this time we're going to add a 15 period exponential moving average. So just type in 15. Make sure you've got exponential selected. And this one we're going to make blue. So just select the blue color and click OK. And now we have two EMAs on the charts. And then finally, we're going to do it one more time. Go to Trend, Moving Average, and we're going to add a 60 period moving average to the chart. And this one, just select a green color and click OK. And now we have three moving averages on our charts. Your chart should look something like this. Maybe your colors are a little bit different, but this is close. And then once you've done that, we want to save this chart for simple access later. So again, just right click on the chart, go to template, and then select save template. And it's going to come up with a template name. Just type in whatever you want here. Maybe you call this trading system 1 and click save. And now if I open up any other chart, let's just do this. I could open up a Euro British Pound chart here. Now I can right click on this chart, I can go to template, and I can select trading system 1 that I just saved from it, and all of the work that we've just done will be applied to that chart, so your charts are easy to access at any time. Once you've added your indicators to the chart, as I just showed you in MetaTrader 4 itself, your charts should look something like this. You'll have 3 lines in 3 different colors, and if you followed our suggestions for setting up the properties, it'll be a white chart with a blue line, a black line, and a green line. And also be sure to save your charts. This is important. It'll make it easier for you to follow the videos. Once again, to do that, you just right click on the chart itself, select template, then select save template, and just enter a name and click save. This will make it so that you can access your charts at any time as you go through the videos, or apply this template to your charts. And finally, just to give you a basic overview of what we're doing here and what's to come, this system is a trend system. By trading with the trends, we increase our chances of winning on trades. And to begin with, you should be using a 1-hour chart. So open up a 1-hour chart right now in MetaTrader, apply your new template to it, and then move on to the next video, and we will teach you how to find short trades or sell trades, and we'll give you some real examples of short trades as we go through it.